I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I didn't set the rain up, man. I didn't set the rain up. Hold up. We gotta set the rain up. I didn't set the movie lights up. Hold on. Gotta get it sexy in here, baby. Oh, gotta set the mood. With arms wide open. Dun, dun, dun. Hold on, y'all. Oh, make sure the bed is clean. I folded those clothes. You know, I'm serious about the bedroom being clean, clear, and under control. Gotta make sure that bed is right. Gotta make sure that bed is right. Somebody in the Discord was like, it's such a waste of time to post some of these things about fixing your bed. Then don't fix your bed. It's easy as that. Then don't fix your bed. Bum, 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 with arms wide open. All right. We got our bed fixed. We got our fan. We got our Febreze. We smell real nice. Okay, we got it on and crack-a-lacking in here. All right, we ready. We ready. It's showtime. It's study time. It's study time. Oh. Oh, yes. It's study time. Oh, my back. My back. My back is backing. All right. So why don't we just go ahead and share this? Share it on LinkedIn. Come on, LinkedIn. You can do it. You can do it. I believe in you. So we got LinkedIn. Then we do X. Post it on X. It's posted. All right. All right. So now that we did that, let's copy this. Let's go to the Discord. Let's go to the stream. Let's go at everyone. I'm streaming day 77, part 2, learning Tailwind plus JavaScript practice. All right. So today I've decided that it is time to do a little bit of code walls. Because I don't want to get... What's up, Mr. Travel 994? Suggested challenge. Okay, so I should have 1 point, right? Because I finished one. I should have, I don't understand this site because I should have one solution. Can I hear you? Of course I can't hear you. What's up, Zero to Full Stack? Hold on. You have a member thing. Does that mean what I think it means? Are you the first member? Oh my god! Oh my god! You're a member. You're a member. He didn't even give me a notification. You're a member. You're a member. I gotta make a different member badge. What's up, Daniel? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, what? Okay, y'all. I wish there was a tab that would show me how many members. Oh, okay. Zero to Full Stack. I appreciate y'all. Yeah, man. Thank you, Daniel. I appreciate it. I'm gonna have to do something special for y'all. Oh, look. That's cool. The chat is all green and stuff. What's up, Frank Programmer? Frank. Hold on. There was a Cold Wars that I finished the other day. And I don't see it. Either way. I guess we're gonna start. Why does it say 8 Caillou? What does that mean? And why don't I have any kata done? Because I did it. The incrementer. Is that the one that I did? Yeah, this is the one that I finished. And I think if I go, yeah, see, this was my, and I guess I gotta press attempt. Okay, so I passed it. Oh, I gotta submit it. Oh. Oh, this dude did it like this. That's crazy. That's clever. All right. So, oh man. Caillou is the belt category in karate. Lower the Kyu, bigger the mastery. Lower the Kyu, bigger the mastery. Interesting. So, we need to do, I wish there was like a path that I could follow. Oh, it's Q? My language is JavaScript. Oh, we have collections. Okay. So what is this one? For the given set S. Okay, I don't like that. Maze Runner. I don't like that. Grazing donkey? You know what? I said I was going to do this, but I just realized that I hate doing this, so I'm not doing this. So, yeah. But what I will do is I love doing practical challenges, y'all. I be earning money now. Thanks, Trey. Ugh. Honestly, the money that I get from the stream is probably just gonna go to Front End Mentor. So Front End Mentor is $12 a month. So So why don't we find a challenge that's easy to do? And then we'll do some JavaScript challenges or something. Because I don't want to get behind in my JavaScript course. I don't want to. Let me think. I have to think about how I'm going to do this. I appreciate you, Zero to Full Stack and Daniel. I was not expecting it. The membership is just $1, y'all. So, you know, if you want to support your boy, I made it as low as possible. It's $1. It's less than Google Drive, Google Storage, whatever. Okay, so let's go to my learning. I don't want to fall behind on this course. I was doing maps. Okay, so what I need to do is some sets challenge. Okay, so why don't we do that? Why don't we go to Gemini? Let's go ask Gemini. Gemini. We're gonna ask Gemini. Hey, I just learned sets in JavaScript. Can you give me some exercises from to more difficult so that I can practice? Did I write proactive? Practice. All right, JavaScript, edit, selection. Hold on, we have a file that is our JavaScript sandbox. How are y'all doing this fine evening in America? Hope everybody's doing good. Hope everybody's doing great. Says it could not find my stream. Oh, it found my stream. Okay. And did I create sets right here? What is this? Oh yeah, that's the last JavaScript thing I did. Okay. See, I got to get back into the JavaScript. I took 3 days off. We can't be doing that. We can't be doing it. So on this screen, let me close all this right quick. Close all that. Y'all can hear the rain all right? Everything good? Is it rainy? All right. So while we do that, I'm gonna go back because I think I need to go back. And I need to study this. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna take notes. Speak English, please. Let's see. What does this say? I hope this means something not bad. All right, nah, we don't do that over here. All right, so what I will do is this over here. Is the stream still up? Okay, the stream is still up. So now what we need to do is homo. All right, I don't know if y'all want to study with me, but y'all ready? Type ready in the chat if you're ready to start our study session where we will study and we will learn things. Are y'all ready? Ugh. Y'all ready? Actually, let me take this robe off. Hot now. It's warm. What's up, fresh343_6? We are about to start our study session. Y'all ready? All right. All right, everybody ready? Y'all got y'all water? Y'all hydrated? All right. Okay, 25 minutes and starting now. Yeah, I stream twice a day. No, I was in the Air Force. Go to my GitHub. Okay, so if I wanted to create a set, I would have to do const new set equal new set, and then I would have to enter a iterable right here. So I could do 1, 2, 3, 4, and if I did a 4 and another 5 and a 5 and a 6, and then I said CLG new set. Okay, it creates a set, but it doesn't have any duplicate sets. Const new set equal new set insert iterable. CLG new set. Short break. Short break. Hmm. Oh. Hmm. Oh, by the way, zero to full stack. I can change that badge if you want. If you have an idea of what the badge should look like, just let me know. Mm, 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 mm. If you don't like the star thing, I could change it to something. I just don't know what to change it to. Ooh. Also, you have access to some emojis. Let me see. Like this emoji, that emoji. Those are the only ones I made so far. You mad at me, Malachi? I hope not. Breathe in. I feel like this is gonna be a good study session. I can feel it in my bones. I done already ate some food. I done ate some fruit. I ate some grapes and oranges. I can feel it in my body. It's gonna be a good study session. It's gonna be a great study session. I can feel it in my bones. 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 It's gonna be a great study session. I hope it's a great study session for y'all. Malachi wants hugs and cuddles. Oh, darling. Darling. Oh. Mm. 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 He wants hugs. He wants cuddles. You want hugs. You want cuddles. Mm, 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 mm. You want hugs. You want cuddles. You want hugs. You want cuddles. You want hugs. Cuddles. Cuddles. He want hugs and cuddles, yeah. Hugs and cuddles, cuddles and hugs. That's what we're here. Cuddles and hugs. Mm-hmm. Right, Malachi? Cuddles and hugs, babe. All right, Malachi. I gotta start. I'll cuddle you. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. All right. Y'all ready for the next Pomodoro? Are y'all ready for the next Pomodoro? I hope y'all ready. All right. All right, let's go. Why can I do this? No, that's not how that works. Whoa. Yeah, I already did this. There's no harm in doing it again. So these are our sets: Italian foods and Mexican foods. What's up? What's up, cuz? What's up? We'll return a new set. We'll return a new set with the elements that they have in common. So if we do CLG Mexican foods dot intersection, and then we put Italian foods. It returns this set right here. What mic do you have? I'm playing it, also streaming. I have a Blue Yeti. Good day to you, sir. By the way, if y'all want to support me, actually, I'll tell y'all that after this. Okay, so let's get an array of what they have in common. So I'm assuming, okay, let's test this out. Const similar foods array equal Mexican foods. I don't think that's gonna work. I think I need to spread those out. It'll just create a set. I think I need to put this in, but let's just check because I need to remember. Oh, what? Oh, okay. I'm silly. Okay, I get it. I use rest. Rest is on the left side. Okay, let me rewind. Rest is on the left side. Spread is on the right side. All right. Hold on. So if I didn't want the duplicates, could I do something like new set? Mm. Okay, there we go. Oh, I wasn't thinking right. So, okay. So I don't need to do all that. I could just do new set, right? Dang, I gotta take a break. Break time. Break. Break. Yay. Let me go get some water. Okay. All right. Give me some water. What's going? My back. What's going down, y'all? By the way, if y'all want to help me out, y'all could join because we are monetized now. Y'all could join for $1. We already got a few members. You can support me. It's $1 if you want to. All right. Oh man. Mm, 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 mm. We gotta study. Uh. We gotta study. We gotta study. We gotta study. All right. Y'all ready for the next Pomodoro? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready for the next Pomodoro? Let me know. Y'all ready? Y'all ready for the next Pomodoro? Is anybody there? Y'all ready? All right, well, I'm about to start. Okay. Use the stretch. Oh, Pomodoro. Starting now. Okay, so we can spread the result of Italian foods. Hold on, what? Yeah. Italian foods. Oops. And Mexican foods. But this needs to be in a thing. All right. So I spread those into an array, make it a set, then spread that into a new array, and then bam. All right. Got it. don't know how to explain this one, but I'll try my best. Set dot difference other set will return a set that contains only the values unique to the first set. So we would do CLG Italian foods. Italian foods dot Italian foods dot difference. And so I get that. All right. So these are the ones that are only in. So pasta, gnocchi, olive oil, and basil. So we don't have tomatoes and garlic. Tomatoes and garlic, because tomatoes and garlic are common in both. So it only shows the ones that are unique to the first one. So if I did CLG Mexican foods dot difference and I put Italian foods, okay, it gives me the ones that are unique, not the ones that they have in both. Cool. Okay, let's see. How can we put that in a set? Let's say, okay, let's say we want const. Let's put it in an array. Let's say we want unique Mexican foods between Italian. So we would say it equals. We want an array, so we need to put it in there. So let's just do it like this. We want a set. And let me think. No, we wouldn't need to do all that. We would just need Italian foods dot difference Mexican foods. Yeah, there we go. So, no, oops, wrong. Unique. That should be unique Italian. All right. So why did I do? Oh, okay. That's combining them and getting rid of. Okay, so that's the same as you. Okay. Now let's do some of these exercises right here. So now we can go back to Gemini, the bouncer. Create a set called guests. Add Alice, Bob, and Charlie to it. Now try to add Alice again. Check the size of the set. What happened? Okay. It would be nice. It would be nice. Let's see. So we're going to create a set called guests, and we're going to say new set. We got Alice, Bob, Charlie. Okay, so then we CLG guests. And that should give us, oop. Oh. All right. So then it says what? Add Alice. Now try to add Alice again and check the size. Okay, so I think we can chain things together. So guests dot add size. No. Sorry. Dot add Alice, and then we can do dot size. Like that. I think. Well, what? All right. So I think, okay, yeah, it's 3. So okay. Okay, so now the next one is quick edit. All right, so check if Bob is in your guests. Set using the has method, then remove him using delete and check the size again. I think okay, CLG guest dot so that's true, and then it says then remove him guests dot delete Bob and check the size. Okay, CLG guests dot size. Okay, 2, because we should only have guests. Oh, all right. So now the next one is the clean slate. Find a way to empty the entire guests in one command. You already know how to do that because it is CLG. Well, actually, we can guests clear. Then we CLG guests. All right. Next, the duplicate filter. You have an array of tags. Okay, so let's do const tags equal this. We have an array of tags. Write a function that takes this array and returns a new array with all the duplicates removed using a set. Okay, so I guess so I need to remove the duplicates. So I want to return. It returns a new array. So no, stop. What? Oh. Yay. All right. That's better. Okay, so the next one is, oh, this was the duplicate filter. Oops, hold on, maybe I should recheck that. This automatically thought it would, oop. All right, there we go. Fixed. All right. So now we do the username validator. The username validator creates a function is the username validator. Create a function is unique username existing users, where existing users is a set. If the username is already in the set, return username taken, otherwise added, and return welcome. Okay. So we're going to create a function, and we're going to say function is unique, and we have a username We have existing users, and we want to return so we would short break time. Short break. I've been into JS. I've been doing JavaScript for months. Go look at my GitHub. Go look at my GitHub, dog. Go look at my GitHub. We've been doing JavaScript for months now. Come on. Dog cuddles. Why do you smell like popcorn? Why do you smell like popcorn? Why do you smell like popcorn? Sorry. Oh, your breath stank, brother. I know what you've been doing. You're nasty. Come on. All right. Next Pomodoro. No. Okay, so we're done with, I think we're done with sets for now. I think we're setty. We're good. So now I think we can move on to Tailwind. Let me pause this. We got enough JavaScript practice for today. We shall continue tomorrow on the JavaScript practice. We shall continue on right now with our Tailwind practice. Alrighty. Now on to Tailwind. The moment that everyone's been waiting for. The Tailwind. Doop 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 Tailwind. Doop 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 Tailwind. Bum bada bum 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 bada bum bada bum 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 bada bum bada bum 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 Tailwind. All right, let's see. All right, let's see. So by the way, if y'all were wondering, I'm using the complete JavaScript course, but then I do a whole bunch of stuff that the course doesn't have in it. Like I do a lot of practice stuff by myself, which is why I opened Gemini up. I do not use AI to code. I use it to give me exercises. All right. So now what we're gonna do is, so tomorrow we'll do some maps. So now I'm gonna do this little mini project. All right. So the first thing I'm gonna do is a follow along project, and then I'm going to do a front end mentor project, and that's what we're gonna do today. So I'm gonna follow Brad, follow him, learn some Tailwind stuff. Then I'm gonna do front end mentor projects. All right, let's do it.
or a breaky break. You got a 15-minute break. Oh, pause that. Put up our notepad. Ooh. Man. Oh my God. I hope all I have to do, I already know myself well enough to know that browser PMO so much. What does PMO mean? My goodness. Like, I'm trying to eat healthier. This is day 2. I haven't eaten. All I've eaten is Whole Foods. That's it. Whole Foods, nothing else. Whole Foods, baby. Whole Foods, baby. Oh shit. That's all we eating is Whole Foods. Very difficult. Very difficult. But these grapes, damn, that camera is clear. Oh my God. God damn. That's why people be saying, damn, this camera is clear. Oh damn. These are some look at how big this thing is. These are some of the biggest, juiciest ass grapes. They look like miniature apples. I cannot give you a grape, Malachi. Exactly. Definitely a bioengineered grape net diver. How you doing, by the way? You doing okay? I hope you're doing good. That's good. That's good. That's good. I'm glad you're studying. Where are you studying again? I'm sorry. Oh, C++. Okay. I really feel like if this were like a if this were a story with magic, I feel like the studying that we're doing, we would be like mages. You know what I mean? We'd be like mages studying our craft for hours on end. Yeah. Bioengineered grape. Magical grape. Dark magic grape. Dark magic grape. Yes, sir. Oh. Dark Magic Grape. Y'all day was going good today? Hope y'all had a good day. Hope y'all had a good day. Hope everything was going great, man. Did I already push? Okay, yeah, I already pushed today. Energy regen, exactly. And stop talking like that. You make me want to learn game dev. Game dev was my first passion, but in time. In time. There's things I must accomplish first. We have to make a living. We gotta make a living, man. I think the next one I'm gonna remake is this one. Ooh. I started with HTML a long time ago because I didn't know how to learn game dev. It's interesting. You're the first time I've ever heard that. That's cool though. It reminds me of back in the day, like back when I was in high school and middle school, like we had Newgrounds, right? So I could see how somebody would be like back in the day, oh, maybe I need to learn HTML to learn game dev. I don't remember much though. Yeah. I swear, like, oh man, man, oh me. I remember mistaking JavaScript for Java and getting frustrated. I feel you. Man, you're better than I did because I got that C++ book and looked at that thing and was like, what the hell is this? That was not user friendly. Thank goodness for Unity. Man, so many people can follow their passion in game development because Unity simplified stuff. Unreal Engine simplified stuff. Phaser, RPG Maker, Godot, Coco's 2D. Um, we got Construct. We got all these little ones too. All these little editors. Ooh, oh my god, that net crack was crazy. Oh, that net crack was crazy. Crazy stuff. Crazy days. Crazy days we're living in. By the way, I think I'm gonna start doing 2 3-hour streams a day. I feel like 3 hours and a break, then 3 hours works for me. I like it. I like it a lot. Make sure y'all subscribe and like. Make sure y'all subscribe and like. Make sure you subscribe. And we got the pages. I'm a part of the YouTube. The page is a part of the YouTube partner program now. So y'all could do a membership for $1. It helps my broke ass out. It'll help me pay for this front end mentor membership. And I'll be able to, I want to make the Discord Nitro. No, you're good. You're good. I do too. I do too because it works for me. But now that I think about it, it probably works for other people who can't watch on certain times. What's up, Siffinge? Okay, this is gonna be our last Pomodoro. Y'all ready? Let's make it count. Let's make it count. Y'all ready? Yeah, I feel you. Yeah, it does get irritating. Y'all ready for this last Pomodoro? Y'all ready to get it in? Y'all ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? I did 9 Pomodoros today. That's great. I guess it's gonna be the 9th one. So if I did 9, okay. Y'all ready? All right, I'm gonna begin. Let me get my video over here. Get Brad together. Brad is talking shit today. All right, and we begin. Get my body together. Get into it. Ooh. Oh. Hold up. How did he do that? Hold on, brother. Hold on. I skipped. Hold on medium screens. Oh. Okay, there we go. I was like, what? Hold up. Is that an animation? Anyway. There's no new project. I'm just working through a course. We're doing a Pomodoro thing right now. Sorry if I'm talking quick. Gotta make sure I make this study and count. This is our last Pomodoro. Hold up, where are we? Okay, so we are going to have a div under the paragraph. So I think this is where our input and buttons go. Lower div. And it's gonna be flex. It's gonna be flex. Let's say flex column. It's going to have a, oh my god, can I stop doing that? Margin top of 5. What is that? Oh, okay. Gap / space on y-axis 4. This is space between items. Okay. Okay. So on medium screens, space that's x.3. Hold on, whoa. So he said, so on small screens like this, it's gonna be, we're using we're learning Tailwind. Space y gonna be 4. Space x is gonna be 3. So Okay, so let's make that happen. It cleans up all that extra shit you just make your own classes using the Tailwind keywords. I looked that up today. I'm following a guide right now. We're just learning, so we'll get there. I know what you're talking about. It's not this file, but it was a file. Where was it? Anyway, I know exactly what you're talking about. So bear with me during these learnings. All right, so let's create this div. So this div is going to have a flex column, a margin top of 5, and a space on the y-axis of 4. Then on medium screens, it's going to have a space on the x of 4, medium space y of 0, or can we do, is there a y, no, y 0, and then we need it to be flex row, okay. A little bit, yeah. In due time, my friend. I was doing NPM stuff yesterday. Or was it earlier today? It was today or earlier today. But yeah, I was doing NPM stuff, trying to figure it out. So we're gonna do the padding 2. Yeah. So hold on, why would you do P2 and then PX4? Padding 2 and then padding top and so that's 6. Why did he do that? Anyway. So P2 and then PX4. All right. Okay. So we're gonna do text center, text white. Just pick up things through your courses. You're learning. Good, bro. Keep it up. Thank you so much, G Muffins. Your name reminds me of my younger brother. Okay. Okay, okay. I was wondering. Oh, interesting. All right, let's see. Oh, that's ugly. But we're getting there. So that was the first project. Okay, so let's see what the chat is saying. Do you see yourself selling website services through freelancing? I could see it. Somebody was talking to me about that. We were having a conversation about that today. I never really considered it, but I could see myself doing it. But I just, I mean, if the money's there, yeah. But I don't know if I really want to be. I really want to do a whole bunch of WordPress or Shopify sites. I don't really know WordPress or Shopify, so I had to learn that. That's a whole different world. I want to honestly. I just want to work at a place and earn a salary. What's up, Michu? I'm doing great. Hope you're doing great too. Like, your boy's just trying to earn a salary, have some consistent checks under his belt, you know. So I guess tomorrow morning I'll do this challenge since we're doing 1, 2, 3. No, I'm doing it myself because I could follow along, but what I want to do is hear I listen to him say what is needed in the element, and then I go and I put it there because I just don't want to copy him. So that's my way of memorizing. Like I always try to challenge myself when I'm doing a course. So if I'm doing a course, I'm always gonna do little mini challenges, and then I finish the first mini project. So I'm gonna come over here and do this tomorrow. This is gonna be what I'm gonna do tomorrow in Tailwind. So nah, I'm just doing that for learning. This is a learning exercise. Okay. So either way, I think I'm gonna start doing 2 streams. I assume you know you can have multi-line comments, right? Yes, sir. I'm deep into the HTML and CSS game at this point, my friend. I just like the way it looks. Okay. Yep. So, this is that time. I don't know if y'all noticed, but the channel is monetized now. So if y'all want to help me out, if you want to help me out, you can subscribe. If you want to help me out, you can like the video. If you want to help me out, you could join the Discord. So I think oh yeah, the coder thing, yeah. I named it this, so it's like $1. This actually works, unfortunately. In JavaScript. So if y'all want to join, it's $1, or y'all can join the Discord. I love when people join the Discord. That helps a lot. The Discord. Join the Discord or like the video. Well, if you join the Discord, you can find out, my friend. Join the Discord, find out, discover it. Dip your big toe into the pool of this Discord and find all of your wishes granted. Hum 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 hum. Or do some stupid shit and get banned. Whatever floats your coding boat these days. All right. Other than that, I think we're finished for today. So make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. If you really like my buns, you can always join for $1 a month and get a badge, and you get access to these Barbie emotes, like the disgust emotes. I feel like this is most fitting for my channel because I chose these emojis because so many people come up in here and they talk about things that I already know, or I answer the same questions day in and day out. So let's sample. So that's one emote. Bam. So there you go. I'm a web designer. I taught myself HTML, CSS, PHP years ago. I mainly just design now. That is so cool. That's great. So yeah, if you want to learn, if you want to go into the Discord is there. Good morning, Jay. You came at the tail end of the stream, my friend. At this point, I have finished. I have coded for a total of 6 hours today. Um. So yeah, I was just telling people that if they want to, yes sir. So if y'all want to join the channel, it's $1. Make you holla. Ay, 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 ay. Join the Discord. We have a lot of cool people in there. We have fun things. We also have code snippets. If y'all ever see me do some stupid stuff on stream, you can enter some code snippets. This is where you enter the code snippets. Don't make me, okay? Like, so when y'all have some stuff to say, you come into the code snippets and you say, hey, Chris, go look at the code snippets. Go look at the stuff. And I'll look at it and I'll judge it. And I'll be mad that your suggestion was right. But then I'll apologize and say, thank you. Thank you for the suggestion. I'll do that. So, yep. Yep, 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 yep. So that's that. That's that. All right. Well, I guess that's what's going on. Thanks, Jai. I appreciate you. Welcome to the. I need to change the badge for that. I appreciate you, Jai. Appreciate you, homie. Love you. Much smookums. And I gotta do something special for people. Y'all need to come up with ideas of things that I could do. Y'all come up with ideas. Well, like since y'all doing $1, like what would y'all want? I don't expect anybody to do this, but I expect people to do this one. So I need to figure out what people would want. You know what I mean? It's Jay. Oh, it's Jay. My bad, Jay. So I need to figure out. Ooh, your thing is green. I'm the same guy from your Discord. No, I know. It's just that I gotta remember a lot of people's names. I'm sorry. All right. So I see you here all the time. Of course, I remember you. Okay. So, all right. So we've talked about the Discord. We sent the Discord link. We sent the link to join the thing. We got the GitHub. If y'all want to follow me on the GitHubs. So that's the GitHub. Okay. So we got the GitHub. And then we got the Twitter that I don't use. Yeah, I suck at Twitter. What do I post here? What do I do here? You know what I mean? I don't know what the hell to do here. But if y'all want the Twitter, here's the Twitter. So anyway, I am about to leave. So thank you, Jay, for becoming a member. Oh, do I have Instagram? I do have Instagram, but I will not be posting it. Good night, Net Diver. I'm proud of you for studying all the time. You're great. You're great. You're great. You're great. You're great. You're doing great. A lot of studying. We got a lot of studying done. All right, y'all. I will see y'all later. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful day. I will see you later. Make sure you twerk and touch some grass. Make sure you go and twerk and fix your bed. We have a whole channel. We have a whole thing. Thank you. Go make your bed. Every day, make your bed. We have a make your bed every day. I'm gonna be posting myself making my bed. Make your bed. I have no thoughts on Claude Code. Make your bed. All right, everybody. Bye. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe. Make your bed. Exactly. My bed is made. This is just a blanket. See? Bam, Jacob. Bed. Make your bed. Bed. All right. I will talk to y'all later. Have a great one. I have no thoughts on Claude Code, my friend. Thoughts on Claude. I have no thoughts on Claude Code. Okay? I love you though. Okay? I love you. You have any other questions in possible clips before I leave, huh? You have any questions? Hmm? Yeah, I got monetized. Claude Code is taking dev jobs. I have no thoughts. I have no thoughts. I have no thoughts. Impossible clips. I have no thoughts. But I'm pretty sure you do. So anyway, bro, let's apply to Google. Google will probably look at me and be like, "Yeah, nah." I would go through the data. I haven't done a lot of DSA practice. No opinions give me something. All I can give you is a kiss. That's all I can give you. What are your tats? You said, do I have tattoos? You said, do I have tattoos? I have one tattoo. I plan on getting a lot more. I foresee myself being completely tatted, at least on the torso, back, legs, you know. But when I wear shorts and a shirt, nobody will be able to see anything. So no neck, no arms, no stuff like that. Gotta keep it corporate, man. You can't, those tattoos are job stoppers. So we gotta be careful. Oh, by the way, Jacob, I'm not completely monetized. I have, so there's different, I'm gonna show you, Jacob. Hold on. You need tats. Only certain types of software engineers can get away with tats. I don't think, yeah, nah, brother. Yeah, I don't think I'm yeah, nah, I can't do that, my friend. So Jacob, so it looks like you get the first. Thank you for that comment, xset72. Okay, thank you for that comment, Impossible Clip. So what I'm thinking is that, okay, so the first milestone was like getting the memberships and supers, and then Jacob, you'll get the ads after a while. So it looks like this. Claude Code, get left or get right. Do 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 do. All right. Well, I'm gonna go watch some gaming and space science stuff. Probably watch some stuff about the James Webb Space Telescope. I love looking at videos about the James Webb Space Telescope. Probably gonna watch some anime. I've been watching some older animes. So you have Roha. Have a good night. Stay warm. All right, y'all. Remember, y'all. Hold on. This is the last time I'm gonna say this. Remember, y'all can last. This is the last time I'm gonna say this tonight. You want to support me? Join the channel. So, be a member. Just look at the agentic experiment that tried to code a full web browser. It failed so hard. Okay, that's great. All right, good night, y'all. Have a great one. Bye. Bye. Love you so much. I want to hug you.